Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and I'm here to show you the craft, and this craft is going to be for the week of June 7th through June 12th, and it's a craft stick project, and it's a really cool wall hanging. You're going to love it. Okay, and when you get it, it'll look just like this. It'll just be in a little bag and everything is there. And so I've started one for us. And what you do is, the first thing you do is you put the string through the holes and tie that, and then you just start your project. Now, I put 2 sticks here, but before you put them on your decoration, you need to make sure that you have colored them all with markers, crayons, or markers and crayons, and that they all are bright and ready to go. So we put 2 at the top, okay? And then we're going to peel this off right here. And at the bottom, here's your little fringe. And you can put it in any order that you want. That goes on the bottom. Okay, you ready? Now, this is what we're going to do. We need 2 at the top, and your directions will be with it right here, and we need 2 at the bottom. So I picked these 2 for the top, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my stick. Let me move this so we can see. And I will need to put 1 stick here, get it nice and straight, and I'll pick this stick. Oh, be careful, this is sticky. Put 1. Oh, we got to go down a little bit. Put 1 next to it. And you go all the way across like this. And you just keep putting them all the way over like that. I like this one. I'm going to put it next. And you just keep going all the way. Put them fairly close. Push them down like that. And then, oh, this would be nice. You can decorate them any way. You see I have squiggles. Now that one I'm going to have to pick back up and move a little closer. It's sticky, okay? Then we'll put another one. Get it close. Smash it down. And we'll get, whoops. Oh, what happened? Holy smolies. And we're going to have to get this one close. Aha. And we have room for 1 more. And I think I'll put this one right here. Now that part's finished. We have 2 left. And I think I'm going to put this one here at the bottom, like that. Smoosh it down. Oh, better straighten that up a little bit. There we go. And then I think we'll put this one, very last one right there, and smooth it down, and you have a beautiful wall hanging to hang anywhere you want or to give as a gift to someone you care about. So that's the craft. Now, please sign up for our summer reading program. You can use your telephone. You can sign up on the computer at the library site. It's easy. And here's one of these in your packet, and it tells you how to sign up because you can earn books and prizes. So thank you for watching. I hope that you will enjoy your craft. Have fun, everybody. See you later.